home and I'm so excited. So I have Amazon, Doll 10, and a little something that I think is from Urja Beauty. Let's open it, shall we? Okay. Oh, that is so cool. Yes, Liz, we will do this. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm obsessed with all this business card packaging. Okay. Gentle Foaming Gelée Face Wash, Cleanse Calm Prep, Restore Moisturizer, Hydrate, Brighten, and Replenish. Lovely. Remedy Face Oil. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Like a roller. Oh, cool. A calming oil. Okay, I need this right now. Stand by. Getting ready to try. So I have a Zoom call in 10 minutes. I don't even have any makeup on, but I can't stop myself. By the way, I love these boxes. Okay, so this is the Remedy Face Oil. I like this packaging. It's definitely not even what I expected. Ooh, okay. Let's give this a try. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Totally into it. Thank you, Liz. Oh, that feels so good. I just showered and did my hair. Maybe I don't need to put any makeup on. Maybe I'm good to go for this Zoom call. And I'm a believer, just whatever's left, just smooth it through this staticky hair. Okay, love it. Can't wait. Liz Bishop, Marley Argue, Urja Beauty coming up this Friday night. Yeah, so excited. See you guys.